finally that dish has arrived. So we got this from Zomato. So let's open and see. So I saw this eating in one movie. So from there I got to know this is something very healthy also. So anyhow we are in diet too. So I thought to try it. This is made up of ragi actually. So this is called actually a ragi ball. So with this we ordered a chicken gravy. Combination of ragi ball and chicken gravy is awesome it seems here and famous too. So let's try. So I have taken the chicken gravy. This is very smooth. Nice it is. We have come to Orion Mall. So we had a great shopping day today. So this is called a burrito salad. So that day I was talking about this. हाँ हम बदलने लगे, गिरने संभलने लगे, जब से चला तुझे तेरी ओर बढ़ने लगे, हर सफर बेबी ഇതിൽ കൈ വെക്ക് ഞാൻ കാണിച്ചിട്ട് ഇത് നമ്മൾ നൈറ്റ് വ്യൂ കാണിച്ചിട്ടില്ല അതിന്റെ सो ये कुछ ऐसा है मैं बता रही थी सोलार के बारे में तो ये कुछ ऐसे चलता है कहीं माटे सो हमने राइस लाइट उसमें भी सोलार लगाया है लेकिन फिलहाल चार्ज नहीं है उसमें तो हमारा ये साइड का जो पाइप है ये बेंड हुआ पड़ा है तो हम प्लान कर रहे हैं कि यहाँ कुछ लोहा का पाइप लगाए ताकि ये स्ट्रेट रुके रहिए थोड़ा बेंड हो जा रहा है So, मैं घर बैठे बैठे कुछ ज़्यादा ही बोर हो रही थी और मेरे पास ये भरा हुआ मेहंदी का पैक रखा हुआ था और ये ऑलमोस्ट चला गया क्योंकि एक्चुअली ये इंस्टेंट बना है क्योंकि लाइक वो हेना जो होता है वो 15 डेज 30 डेज लगभग रह ही जाता है अगर हम पानी नहीं लगाते हैं ज़्यादा तो अगर मुझे कभी निकालने का मूड किया तो निकाल भी लूँ इसीलिए मैंने ये इंस्टेंट वाला लिया था और कुछ ऐसे पैक मैंने अमेज़ॉन से ऑर्डर किया था तो ये गया है तो मेरे को दोबारा से मन कर रहा है लगाने का सो आई एम गोइंग टू पुट नाउ बेबी विल यू हेल्प मी सी दिस गाय इज हियर ही इज एक्टिंग टू स्लीप नाउ वेरी बैड very bad guys you are on camera
Always on camera. Give me some rest.
Go. So ये जनाब को भी मेहंदी लगाने का मन किया तो ये चाह रहे कि मैं कुछ टैटू बनाऊं इनके लिए तो you want here right?
Yeah.
What you want? The dyes right?
Yeah.
Enough, huh? So here I just made dyes. Anything else, sir?
Should I wash now? Or?
No, wait for like 10 minutes. Then you can wash. I'll put in your hand. Give me.
That's enough. Thank you.
आज घर में बहुत ज़्यादा ही काम था तो मैं लगाने के बाद आउटकम तो दिखा नहीं पाई एंड दिस इज़ ऑलमोस्ट गॉन सो फिलहाल हम एक टी ब्रेक के लिए जा रहे हैं बाहर
To go for trimming also. No time.
What to do, right? I'll do it for you. Give me.
Not now.
Okay, done.
Basmati rice. This side. Over here. I think this is buy two, get one. So,
Then one is enough, right?
oh, then the price will drop, na? Okay.
So actually we went shopping for grocery items. Actually a cute little guest is going to come tomorrow in our house. You will get to know in another vlog. Today I got this sanitary pad and I wanted to share you a good information about this pad which we are using from childhood, that Stay Free brand, that Whisper brand. That is not wrong, but in our hand we are getting the wrong product, duplicate products. So be safe and take care of yourself, guys, and try to use a cotton sanitary pad that will be very useful. I have tried also before and this is very good. Really, it's made up of a real cotton. So do try this, guys. We are back, but my work is not got over yet, and it's now the time is around 11 something. So I am changing this freshener of toilet. So okay guys, I'm ending this vlog here. Again, I have lots of work to do, and yes, someone is going to come tomorrow, so I have lots of pending work to do it now, and yes, I have to edit this vlog also. So yes guys, see you soon in my next upcoming vlogs. Till then, please hit the thumb, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Till then, take care, bye bye.